Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up a Charles Schwab Roth IRA. If you're looking to save for retirement with tax-free growth, you've come to the right place. We will walk you through the steps to create your own Roth IRA account with Charles Schwab. First, go to the Charles Schwab website and click on the Open an Account option. You will see various types of accounts available. Select Retirement Accounts and choose Roth IRA. Be prepared to provide information such as your name, address, social security number, and employment information. This will help you complete your application. After filling out the necessary information, you will need to choose your initial funding method. You can fund your Roth IRA through a bank transfer or by rolling over funds from another retirement account. Make sure you understand the contribution limits for the Roth IRA and ensure that your contributions do not exceed these limits. Once your account is funded, you can start choosing your investments. Charles Schwab offers a variety of options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Take your time to research different investment opportunities and consider your risk tolerance and financial goals. Once you have made your investment choices, you are all set to begin your retirement savings journey. Thank you for watching and happy investing.